I've just been spending less time on Facebook, and it might not be a bad thing if you did the same, because let's be honest, Facebook is a time suck, at least for me, and that's part of the reason I've been spending less time on the platform, because it just takes a tremendous amount of time to not only post, but then follow up and engage with people and answer comments and messages. And the more you grow, the more comments and messages you start getting, the longer it takes to respond to them, and you don't want to lose momentum. So if you're anything like me, you might obsess on it for a while, and I spent a long time trying to get back to every single person. If I didn't get back to you, I'm sorry. I'm doing the best I can. It's a lot of messages, but anyways, one of the main reasons, in addition to it just being a time suck and I was getting kind of bored with Facebook, is that all of these things I've been talking about and implementing are finally starting to work and pay off, and that's another exciting thing. I'm starting to make more money spending less time working, and that's what it's all about. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about here today, is passive income from social media, how to get started with it, and how to actually get money coming in from all this time that you're spending, hopefully not wasting, on social media. So there's a few things I want to show you. One thing I want to start with is I don't want you guys to miss out on TikTok. If you're not already on TikTok, you need to be, and I'm going to tell you why in just a second. I'm trying to get this video shared to a few groups. Anyways, I know you're probably tired of hearing about TikTok, especially if you're not on TikTok, if you don't like TikTok. You're tired of people talking about it, you don't get it. That's what I'm here to show you. Part of the reason I've been spending less time on Facebook is simply because I can get way more bang for my buck when it comes to time invested, money invested, energy invested elsewhere. And TikTok is one of those places. So this is what I want to show you. Here's my TikTok account. The past few that I've made haven't done super great, 67 views. I made this earlier today, and actually here, I made this TikTok earlier today too, and it already has 822 views. Now, if you compare that to my Facebook posts, my average Facebook post gets maybe 10, 20, 30 views. It might get 50 views if it gets a lot of engagement. But here on TikTok, these are short posts. They take me 1, 2, maybe 5 minutes total to create. And look at this, just 822 views in just half a day today. Several of them have several thousand views. And every once in a while, you get one that gets 33,000 views here, 22,000 views, 22,000 views. This one has almost 100. This one has over 100,000 views. And again, it takes just a couple minutes to create these videos. So that's a big reason I'm spending less time on Facebook, is because the time I do spend on Facebook is just not usually bringing me these kind of results. But I'm here because I want to share this with you, especially those of you who are spending all day on Facebook and maybe not getting the results that you were hoping to get from spending so much time on social media. So how does this work? How does it actually bring in money? That's a super important thing, and that's what I don't want you to miss, because I've spent years trying to figure all this stuff out. I've been trying to make money online for at least 5 years now, probably closer to 10. I was doing it off and on the weekends and nights when I was working full-time jobs. But this past year is pretty much my first year fully working for myself online, fully committed to making money online. And the best part about making money online is when you can start making it passively, right? So for the first 6, 8, even 10 months of me making my entire living online, I was doing a lot of services. I've been doing SEO, I've been making websites for people, and basically still have a boss, even though it's not one singular boss. Every time somebody hires me to do something for them, they are my boss. And that's a big thing that a lot of people want to get away from, is having to report, just having to ask to take time off to spend with your family, right? Nobody wants to feel like they're owned by somebody else. And that's what it can feel like when you're spending so much of your time working to earn a paycheck and not getting to enjoy your life beyond the time you spend at work. So anyways, that's kind of what got me into all this and what I'm hoping to share with you. So that's why I want to show you how to make money from social media. You could do this with Facebook, although like I said, I recommend you start with TikTok if you're not making money from Facebook, because it's been a lot more productive for me. So here's how it works. If you'll notice right here, I have this link in the top of my TikTok profile, and it's howtorank.com/links. You'll also find the link below or above this video. I think it's above on Facebook. If you're watching on YouTube, it'll be below. Anyway, somewhere around the video is a link to howtorank.com/links. And I want you to take a look at this page, because this one web page has made me more money, especially passively, than anything else I have done. And it's super simple. That's the best part. It's easy. You can set up one exactly like this for yourself by the end of the day, probably within like an hour if you've ever tried to make a website before. But even if you haven't, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel that'll show you how to get a website set up like this in just about an hour, maybe 2 hours. And anyways, this is all it is. Check this out. There's an email opt-in at the top, because if you know anything about making money online, you know that you need to retarget people. Just like you probably don't spend money with somebody the very first instant you meet them, right? You usually spend your money at places you know about, places you've been to before, or at least have a good recommendation, maybe have some reviews. So making money online is the same way. So you're going to want to follow up with the same people if you want to start making sales. So that's the first important thing. But specifically when it comes to passive income, this is what I want you to check out. This is all that's on this page. I have one video review at the bottom, and I have a bunch of links here to different offers. Now these are affiliate offers as well as offers to my own digital products, but you don't need your own digital products. If you're just getting started, you can do this with affiliate offers. And if you don't have any affiliate offers, you can start with this one right here where it says make money sharing links. If you click this button, you'll be able to sign up for free. And this is actually the same down here where it says free websites for life. This is basically taking you to the same offer, which is going to let you build a website just like this in just about an hour. So you can start making money online. But what I want to show you is that this is all that's on this page, right? An email opt-in, some buttons, you know, I have my logo here, and a video. That's it. But for a long time I didn't even have this video, and this page was making me money before I put the review video on here. So here's how. Like I said, these are affiliate offers, and you can sign up here for free. But I want to show you more detail about this. So here's several of them. If you check out this one, AI copywriting software, I'll show you how this works in a minute. This is Conversion AI, also known as Jarvis, and this is a tool that essentially does writing for you. So you give it some brief instructions, and then a robot will write whatever kind of content you want for your website, your blog, whatever. Anyways, there's an affiliate offer with this tool, and you can see here last month, 29 days ago, I made $84 just by having a link to this tool right here. And again, this link is in the bio of my TikTok. So when I'm making these TikToks that are getting 800 views a day, 2,000 views, 30,000 views on these TikToks, a portion of these people then visit my profile to see what I'm all about. They might watch some more of my TikToks. They might be interested in making money online or automation or SEO. So then what they do is they click this link. Or in a lot of my TikToks, I say, hey, click the link in my bio. And they come to this link, and like I said, it's the page that I was just showing you here. And they click around, and odds are if somebody is watching your TikTok or your social media, your YouTube, your Facebook videos, whatever it is, it's probably because they're interested in what you're talking about or what you're showing them. So by having related offers for them to take, you can easily earn a chunk of the commission. And like I said, here is $84 last month from Conversion AI. Here's another offer. This is my Thrive cart for Chase Reiner's Elites group. It's a group where he talks about SEO and automation and just all kinds of cool stuff about making money online. That's what I talk about a lot too, so naturally my audience is interested in that sort of thing. So on several of my offers here, on my automation toolkit and on my free SEO checklist for YouTube, when somebody downloads that, when somebody gets that product, the next page they're taken to is the landing page to join Chase's group, which is a very similar topic. So another important thing about making money online and sales in general is that they say second money is easier than first money. The second sale is easier than the first one. People are more likely to purchase something from someone they've done business with before. So if you make a sale, or even a free download in this case of an automation toolkit or an SEO checklist, that person is much more likely to buy a second thing, which is exactly why I put follow-up offers. It's called an upsell. In the case of these two, it goes to Chase's Elites group. On my CTR template, I have a $1 template that people can download. And then when they download the template for $1, it offers them, hey, do you want the instructional video to go with the template for just $27 more? And you can start to build offers like this. But like I said, if you're just getting started, you don't have to worry about all of that, because with all of these offers I'm talking about, with Conversion AI, with Jarvis here, and with Chase's group, and here's another one, Groove Funnels, that I promote. Last month, I only got one sale, and it was $115, but it depends on what tier of the software people buy. The most expensive one, I think, is like $1,400, and you get 40% of that. So that's a pretty good chunk of change for one sale. And again, this is all coming from just having a link in my bio right here. Make money sharing links, and another one, free websites for life. They lead to this offer, which someone has bought and put $115 in my pocket while I was sleeping. So, you know, that's about $300 there already that I just woke up to while I'm sleeping. So while that's not a tremendous amount of money, if you're just getting started, a few hundred extra dollars a month, it could make a pretty big difference for you, especially if it grows each month, and then in a few months, in 5 or 6 months, you're making several $1,000s per month passively. Now suddenly that's freed up all this other time that you can spend with your family. You can spend doing whatever you want to do. So that's what I'm trying to show you here about making money online. It doesn't have to take up your entire life. You don't have to start a whole business. I recommend you not do what I did, which is try and start your own agency doing services for other people, if that's not what you love to do. Because I love making websites, I love getting traffic and getting attention online. But what I don't like is people calling me asking about deadlines. I'll just be frank, like keeping someone else's schedule has never been something I enjoy doing. It's always been annoying and frustrating. And then, you know, if I want to go hang out with my friends, you got to call and ask, and then they say, no, we're busy this week, you can't go. So, you know, that you only get one life. You don't want to waste it. At least I don't. That's what got me into this passive income stuff. So I'm hoping that by sharing some of my story, you guys can relate to that and get excited about this stuff, because I know I sure am. The more money I make online, particularly, like I said, passively, because I just don't like answering to anybody if I don't have to. So here's another example of passive income. I finally, after about a year of hard work and consistent posting, got my channel monetized. And in the first month of being monetized, it's estimated that my revenue is $118. So in those handful of examples I've shown you here, that's you know, $400, maybe $500 a month, completely passive. Even if I don't log into any of my accounts or do anything, people can still buy these products, because every time they find my YouTube channel, or they come to my TikTok or my Instagram or my Facebook, they eventually come to this link or similar links that lead to offers that make me money. And that's the whole point of doing all this. So I hope this helps. If you're looking to get started, if you have any questions about anything I've showed you, you could just go ahead and drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to get back to you. And other than that, I hope this helps. Like I said, howtorank.com/links. You can actually just come to this page and just copy my affiliate offers. You can get Conversion AI and start promoting it. You can start promoting Groove Funnels. I have an affiliate offer on my SEO training. For those of you who don't know, I have my own SEO training that shows you how to get the results I get on Google, which is ranking on the first page for you know, just about any keyword you want. So the training is $97. It's a one-time payment. You can have access to it for life, or for as long as you know, we're both on the internet. You'll have access to it. It doesn't go anywhere, so you can rewatch it as many times as you need. But the cool thing is my affiliate offer pays 50%. So if you refer 2 people, it just paid for itself. And you know, it's you know, $48 and some change for every person you refer. So great link to put in your bio or on your page if you know other people who are into getting attention online, social media, making money, that sort of thing. So anyways, that's what I've been up to. That's why I've been spending less time on Facebook, because TikTok's way easier, and now that I have these offers set up and my traffic is growing, I can start making more sales with less effort, which is the dream. So I'm going to keep at it until hopefully I never have to work again. I hope you do the same thing, and if you need any help, hit me up. And other than that, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will catch you next time.